Yeah, we're here backstage where all the magic happens. Gee, what's this? Just a smoker?
Yeah, Austin smoker.
Austin.
What is it? Pacific style chicken curry?
Damn. Ooh.
David's dinner. Oh. This is what I've been waiting all week for.
Whakaalo whatu mako. Been a while. Shout out to all the subscribers. Damn, getting some subscribers up. This morning I'm here in Epsom. This looks like the Faculty of Education and Social Work. Here for practice with my Takalo group. The leader is Sam Belisi and our cultural advisor is Io Aleke Whaavai Aleke. Yeah. So we're here. We performed at the Ihu Matau at Mangere near the airport, and we performed at the Dawn Raid Apology Centre, best Takalo group in New Zealand. So now we're doing another performance, and I'm here practicing for a few practices before we perform for the Pacific Medical Association. So I'm the first one here. We don't have many days left to practice, so just waiting till the boss gets here. Hope it goes well, and shout out to you too, Tony Adams. Learn the vanga whole new way. Hiya, to Philadelphia. Whakaalo whatu mako. In this dance practice, we're going to be using the kataua. It's a club-like weapon. It's pretty huge. Kind of like the berserker weapon. It's an oversized, but my one's a small one. I made that one for my son. Just waiting. We're going to be using that in the practice. I'm still waiting for people to come. The name of our group, we're called Pono Taki E Tautoa Niue. So, you know, I got another YouTube video on how to make one of these. Yeah, Tupu Mayanga. If you want to make one, look out for them. There's a Sam. Alright, sup guys, got a special guest here, Ramon from Niue. What's up, Ramon, bro?
What's up, man? What's up?
Bro, can I ask you some questions?
Yeah, no, sure.
What village you from?
From 3 villages. My mother's Makefu Liku and my father's Lakepa.
Oh, me.
So 3 villages.
And bro, pretty much, bro, what made you want to join the group, bro?
Stay connected to my culture, as we should, because technically culture is kind of like declining in a way. So it's good to kind of like stay in touch, so your kids can stay in touch with the culture, just to try and uplift it again.
Bro, what do you think of the leader?
Bro, leader, tutor, oh, he's the man. No comment.
Speaking of the leader, Sam, bro, God, can you tell us why this group formed, bro? I just want to know what's the name of the group and why was this group formed?
Yeah, the reason why this group was formed, I think a few years ago, was just to try and bring Niue men together. And Takalos are pretty popular. You see it at Polyfest, you see it in the community. So I just try to take a strengths-based approach to bring Niue men together. Nice way for us to connect, to use the language, see each other, and just uplift the culture. I didn't come up with the name. Our cultural advisor, Io. At the time, I would just call ourselves the Takalo project. And then, Io came up with the name. Panotake Atutoa Niue. I think that's the name.
Cool. Oh, sweet. Any more projects coming up? Oh, can you tell us what the projects we've done?
Oh yeah, so we've done a couple. We got the first project sorted in 2020. We got a bit of funding from MPP and we went to Ihu Matau. And that was a really cool, significant cultural site for our local mana whenua. And prior to that, there was quite a bit of activity in regards to activism around reclaiming the land. So we went there and performed. We were really lucky to have the local mana whenua invite us on, and we performed there. We did a video, so we did a Takalo here. We had that written by Asafo Lavea Puheke, who lives in Niue. And so he wrote the Takalo for us, and we tried to give some themes around fighting for our language,
Yeah.
you know, fighting for our culture. And so he wrote that, and then we had about 40 guys. That was the project we practiced for about 2 months, and a lot of us knew maybe each other in different ways, and some of us didn't know each other. And then ever since then, I haven't been able to get rid of one of it. And we're stuck, but it's all good. And so we performed there, put it all online. Then we were supposed to perform last year at the Favona, Niue language bilingual, which John, you were supposed to be one of our callers then, but then COVID restrictions.
So there's a pod that I've checked it, it's your book.
Security.
Oh, thank you so much, mate.
Security, just checking we're not. Sorry, bro.
You saw some big guns. That was John's arms.
Oh yeah. Gee.
Security alert.
Man. Nah, he called for backup when he saw Sam, mate.
I've got some blocks. Hey, I booked this. So he was supposed to perform at the bilingual unit opening, which is the first new language bilingual here in New Zealand. That didn't go ahead, and then we performed at the Dawn Raid, the government, New Zealand government Dawn Raid apology last year at Town Hall.
Yeah.
And there was about 20 of us. We opened up. It was really nice. It was quite a pan-Pacific welcome and ceremony. And the Niue Toas were the first one to kick that off with Jacinta and other government officials coming into the town hall. Oh, sorry, I lied. Māori started.
Oh yeah.
Started up top on the main road, and then there was the Niue Takalo, and then lots of other things. And then at the moment we're prepping for a cocktail dinner.
Oh yes.
It's like we got gigs now.
That's right. Yeah.
I need to create an online booking form.
Hey, yeah.
But just rolling with it, and I think in the same way, just giving an avenue for the boys to come together, and then also, our efforts to keep the Takalo alive in a way, as opposed to just Polyfest, which happens only once a year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh.
There's
Fuck
a
away.
long-winded answer that no one asked for.
Hey, Dr. Pelisi. Dr. Pelisi, hey. Thanks, low. You guys in my channel, eh? Hey, come on, zoom in. Sup, guys? Just finished Takalo training with the crew.
Yeah.
Got the brother Christian.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, what village you from?
From La Kepa.
La Kepa.
Yeah.
Bro, sorry, man, can't see you in the...
Oh, he's a little Racist.
Racist. Oh yeah, here we go. Chris and Kobe.
What's up, man?
What village you from, Cobes?
From La Kepa.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Oh, what were you doing at the Hakupu that time I saw you?
Oh, it was like a little party my nana wanted to go to. So she tagged me along, had a munch, and then I fell asleep.
Oh. Bro, I just wanted to ask, what made you guys join the group?
Oh, Cisco. Oh. Well, I enjoyed doing Polyfest in school, so it's good to get back into like performing for like representing my culture in that.
Oh yeah. Can you speak Whangaho?
Can I speak? No, I can say hello in that.
Oh yeah.
That's as good as it gets.
Oh man.
But yeah, still rep 683. You know what it is?
Oh sure, Chris. What are your plans for your culture, bro? What's your plans?
Plans? I don't have too many plans, but as of right now, I think just try and stay in the group as long as I can.
Yeah.
And just try and get more of my cousins along and whatnot.
Yeah.
Just so all of us can stay connected and whatnot. Yeah.
Too low. Oh, wait, thanks, man.
All good.
Bro, anything you want to say to my subscribers, bro? Followers about?
Nothing to say.
Like, comment and subscribe, you know?
Yeah, like, comment and subscribe. My name is Christian Tuing, I'm from La Kepa.
Oh, single or?
Single, very single.
Oh!
See all the Balingi chicks on here? Yeah.
Hey, keeping the culture. Thanks, Chris, brother.
Little boys. Let us know when you post up.
Yeah. So the practice is finished, guys. Just saying goodbye to the boys. Yeah, good practice. Thanks, Sam. Yeah.
Looking forward to our crew next.
Yeah, man. Million of views, bro, coming up.
Million views coming up. Stay tuned.
Alright, fuck away.
Have fun that weekend, boys.
Oh, yeah.
See you, man.
Shot, man. Thanks,
No, you're good, bro.
Yeah.
You know, put in the chat your YouTube channel.
Yeah, thanks, man. Whakaalo whatu mako. Look who's just arrived. If you don't know what we're up to, new day today with the bro and David. Sabla. Whakala whātu. Oh, we made it. Here we go. Yep. We've been following Elnez for a while now, watch his channel grow, and now he's making food now with me. So yeah, we were hungry. Yeah, we're here backstage where all the magic happens. Gee, what's this? Just a smoker?
Yeah, Austin Smoker.
Austin Smoker. Sharp.
Well, that's exactly what I was able to do myself, and completely changed
The
my
fake,
life. And I did it through affiliate marketing, but now
How's it going, Elnez? Busy.
We're going good, bro. A lot better than our first day yesterday.
Yeah.
So, a little more organized and kind of know what's happening and what's coming. So,
business model today, available hands down. There is nothing better because you can get started.
You heard it. Oh, we'll be honest with the feedback, eh?
hey, oh man.
There you go. We saw the wheel, the magic, the setup at the back. Austin Smoker, eh? How did it smell?
Smell delicious. We've come to the front front of house to collect our food, so gotta go see the waitress inside. Nah, awesome business idea. Elnez, all the best for what's the name? Al's Easy Eats. Yeah, all the best, man. It's gonna be good. Yeah. And we're happy to be here to eat.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh,
Day. Awesome.
she just got the.
Just picked up my order from Easy Al's Eats. Hold the bag, okay? Hold on, side. Woo! So we've got the for Lily. She got the what is it? Pacific style chicken curry. Oh, fresh coriander on rice. Hang on, Dave. Hang on. She's not sure.
Who's this one?
Hold.
Who's that?
This is David's dinner. Oh.
How's it smell, Dave? How's it smell,
Oh man, it's incredible.
Yeah, so that's all with potato salad.
This one is for Hannah.
No, sorry.
This one's for you.
Me.
Oh, no.
So this is what I've been waiting all week for. Oh. Char siu, pork. Look at that crispy edges. Rice. The rice looks good. Man, good portions.
Yeah.
Alright.
Heavy.
Gonna have to hit some weights tomorrow morning. But there's some sides here too. So those three mains. It's the that's the coleslaw.
Damn.
Shucks, what's in that dressing? Smells good. You can smell the sesame.
Yeah.
Sesame oil. Looking forward to getting into that. Last one. Oh. Nice little salsa. Oh, man. It smells nice and fresh.
I just do last one, please.
Alright.
Yep.
13.
59.
Oh, I said
Yeah.
Make contact online. Yeah, put your orders in and give it a go. We're gonna get out of here and go eat at home.
Yeah.
It's still the middle of winter and we're rocking around with t-shirts because we know we've got a big feed coming on, so we're pretty happy. All right. Thanks, John. Bro, good to see you.
Yeah. Mutolu kia. Monui ne afi afi. Bye, Lily.
Wait and see where see what your Lily's one's
Shucks. She. Alright, just got told Cinta's filling up my tray to the top. Oh, great. Gee. Whew, sweet. Just got my food too. Shee. Thank you, Easy Eats of Al, or Al's Easy Eats. exciting. They look busy, so I didn't want to get in their way. Can't wait to eat now. Happy?
I hope we have a great dinner, and thank you for the dinner, Dad. And that's it.
Cool. Takalo Fatimako. Just got the food at home. First I want to try the coleslaw. Because the coleslaw is, I love salad. Ooh, yum. That's a nice coleslaw. Feels healthy. It doesn't have much, you know, it doesn't feel like it's just been drenched in salad and dressing. Tastes nice and fresh. Professional. Mister's just giving me a funny look. I've seen this on Elnez's channel all the time, and yeah, it's nice. Now I'm gonna try the tomato salsa.
The microwave is not closed.
Ooh. It almost tastes fruity, eh? Did you try the salsa? Tomato salsa? Almost like it's got like a, I don't know if it's apple. It's like a sweetness to it, eh? I can't explain it, it's nice. Now, try the Korean barbecue pork. Yeah, tastes like just, oh, spicy. Did you have pork too, son? I can't see, no, I don't know if you can see that. It's blurry as. Chicken curry. Ooh, classic.
Here we go again.
Yum. Potato salad, and I got the American slow cooked beef. This one here. Chicken. Slow cooked chicken, American style. That was cooked in the Austin smoker. Let's have a try. Whoa. Definitely taste the smokiness. Man, that's gotta be the one. I think that's one of the best ones. Manongi. Wow, that was nice. Wow.
Yeah, I don't want that. I do not want that on it.
Food was great. Thank you, Elnez. And Sinta and the family. That was me.
I'm gonna taste each of the things.
Oh man, I just want to eat now without having to review the food. Food's delicious. My favorite is probably the slow cooked chicken and the Korean barbecue. And the slaw and the tomato salsa. Oh yeah, delicious again. Whakolahi mākau, mai ki ke whanono mai, kisikise mai. Haia, tō whilawia ki mua. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. To those who just subscribed, thanks a lot. I appreciate the likes, the comments, the subscriptions. Yeah. See you next time.